See that cage down there? That's where the turtle go when it's warm and not rain.
Where is the turtle?
We're going to meet the turtle in a little while.
And what's that? Wait, who lives in there?
The turtle lives in there when it's warm and sunny days. Is today a warm and sunny day?
Yeah,
No, it's not a warm and sunny day. It is cloudy. Did you hear the rain this morning when it was raining? I did. I heard a lot of rain this morning.
I did it.
You didn't.
Teachers are coming.
Did it look like this? No? Yes. You didn't see one? Well, we're going to meet one today, and his name is Mr. T. But I'm going to read a book first, okay? Can I read a book about turtles so we know a little bit about turtles when we meet Mr. T? So we've got some good questions to ask about him, okay?
What is over there?
We'll focus. See all of that stuff in a little bit, okay? It is dawn at Long Pond. Can everybody see the pictures? You get closer if you want to see the pictures. Come on, sweetie. Get a little closer.
Okay,
Come on,
okay.
A circle so everybody can see. Because I don't like to see a book where I can't see the pictures, right? All right. It's dawn at Long Pond and white mist covers the water. Little warblers awaken and fly from the move in and a breeze turns over the leaves of the maple trees and the box turtle opens his eyes and senses rain. So the box turtle can sense rain. So he sees rain coming, and so what does the box turtle need to do if he sees rain coming? What do you think he needs to do? Hey, look at the picture. Where is he going to hide?
Under the rock. Tree.
He's going back to that log where he was keeping warm, isn't he?
Under that tree.
Yes, under the tree. You guys are so smart. All right. The rain stops and out comes worms. Do you think turtles like worms?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Favorite food. Oh, yes. So he is going, and you know what he's doing? He's chopping off all the heads of the worms, and then he can go back and eat them. A young raccoon walks up to the stone, and she also is looking for worms, and the box turtle sees her and quickly draws himself back into his shell, because you know what? Do you think
That's a raccoon.
a raccoon would bother a box turtle? Yes, I think so. But what is the box turtle doing in order to save himself?
Nosy.
Here she comes, so she'll get to see it too, okay? What is that box turtle?
I just saw him.
So friends, Santi, Amia, are we gonna be able to touch Mr. T all together, or are we gonna have to take turns? Okay, I just need you to remember that.
Back up, get Grandpa, because he going.
All right, now, when we saw the turtle in the book, what did he do when he sensed that raccoon came? What did he do? He hid in his shell. Mr. T never goes in his shell. He just was rolling in his, he's got a little water dish, and he was rolling in his water dish, and he got wet. So, but look how pretty he is. Michelle. Now tell me what color his eyes are.
Red.
They're red. So if a turtle has red eyes, that means it's a boy turtle. Boy turtle. What color were the eyes in the book we were reading?
Red.
So we were reading.
Boy turtle.
We were reading a book about a boy turtle.
I was thinking
I know. The girl turtle. Oh, we're not going to touch him, right? We're not going to touch him, okay? And if we do touch him, we don't want to touch his head or his legs. Do you want anybody touching your head?
No.
No.
He's gonna bite.
See?
Bye.
I don't think he would bite, but we want to be careful, just in case, okay? Just in case, we want to be careful. All right, now what did I tell you about this right here? Can he feel me?
Yeah.
Okay, so one at a time, those who want to touch him,
They just
touch
laugh.
him. I'm going to turn him around so his head is towards these, all right? We are not touching his legs. We're not touching his tail. Okay? We're not touching his head. We're only stroking very gently down his side, right? Because he can feel it. He would like a little pet. One finger is a good plan. Okay? Do you want to try? One finger. One finger.
A tree!
Do you see a pond or anything?
What does a pond look like?
Pond.
Hey, hold on,
Oh, yeah.
hold on. Hold on, back up. Firefly.
I don't see a flag.
Leaves. Do you see a crunchy leaf? Yeah. Alright, okay. Alright, you looking for a spider?
A spider? I like spiders. I love spiders. Do you deal with spiders in your house, Mommy?
Pond that way.
Papa,
They go that way, you going across the street.
Papa, go, please.
Yeah, pond little thing here. Oh, they got that to suck out the trash.
Oh, that's the lucky child.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Nah, you don't. I see.
You got a tree, we already saw a tree.
The fact that we have never been
I
back
did
here
it!
blows me.
They got a little sitting there.
Right, what I'm saying. We gotta
Bird!
no worm, no
Bird
frog.
house! Bird house! Let me
We
find
already
it!
done got this.
They want
I
the
hear
kids
a
walk through
bird.
and do something.
We need a pond.
A pond?
I think it's a pond back that way. Or maybe it's the pond right here. We done did the tree and the leaves. We need to find a pond and some sticks. Oh, you see the darn sticks?
They got a whole bunch of rocks if they need them. I guess you can chill out. Cook out on the hillside. There go a bird. You mark bird off. I just seen the bird. That's a little far water. The water right here behind my
Any
house.
worms?
Wait, I saw something moving. It might be a worm.
Little worm.
Come on.
Come on. Keep on pushing.
Yeah.
We still have to find a worm yet.
Come on, let's see if we can find.
Little bird flying out there. Some animal tracks. Haha. Right there between them both.
A bird.
Try bird. it's like a little forest type.
I know it's called wet.
You got snakes all up in there.
Way out my comfort.
Yeah, that's a little pond right
To
there.
the nature park, you coming?
So we marked the pond, but the pond really right there. See what they got in there. Spiders and crap.
They said it was a spider back there.
Oh, okay. I ain't think. KJ, come back, son. Come here. Come here.
Okay. Scavenger hunt. Turn around, she want to get a picture. Get a picture with you.
Hmm? What's up? Hey, come on.
We going this way.
I'm going that way.
We going back.
I'm going back that way. They can go that way. Yeah, I'm gonna go that way. That right there alone. That's a long.